how to buy X Originals token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now, before going on by this token, go and check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. So for that, as you can see, the X Original hasn't posted. When they do, their posts will show up here. So stay tuned and where they release their post in the X account. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 4 hours ago and increased by 100% in the last 24 hours. And as you can see, this token trending number 10 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click into the token. Now, there is an open funds wallet for that. After that, click here on swap. Now, make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here and paste token address into search bar. As you can see, this is our token. Now, click on it and now click on I understand. Now, after that, you can type here how much you want to buy. So, this is how much you will be able to receive that token. After that, click here on pricing. Click on provider. Now, select Jupiter. Click on apply. Now, go back and you will be able to find here swap. Now, click on it. And after that, you will be able to redirect it to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So, this is how to buy X Originals token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.